Good morning, students. Welcome back to Java class. Here in this class, I am going to teach you history of Java, some features of Java, and Java runtime environment and Java development kit. Here, first we can discuss history of Java. The history of Java is very interesting. Why? The why Java is very interesting because of object oriented programming. The Java is very interesting. It means object oriented means we can solve our real time problems in computerization. We can solve our real time problems in computerization. It may be any problems, like for example we can see problems in banking sector, hospitalization, government sector, in corporate sector. Everything is computerization, and also every task can converted to computerization because of Java programming. Firstly, Java was developed for only programming language, but nowadays Java is purely developed for internet based things. Java is developed for internet based things, and Java was originally designed for interactive television, but later it advanced technology to digital cable television. And Java developed by the James Gosling, who is the father of Java in 1995 era. And here some features of Java are there. We can discuss one by one. The the main features of Java programming is to make the Java program portable, simple and secure programming language. The main intention of Java programming is to make the Java program is portable, simple and secure programming language. And also, apart from these features, there are some excellent features which play an important role in popularity of Java programming language. We can see those features one by one. And the features of Java also known as Java buzzwords. The features of Java is also known as Java buzzwords. Here, the list of most important features of Java language is given below. Here we can discuss one by one. First one, simple, object oriented, portable, platform independent, secure, robust, architecture neutral, interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded, distributed, dynamics. These all are the important features of Java programming language. These all are the features which are going to popularity of Java programming. Here we can discuss one by one. Simple. Java is easy to learn, and Java syntax is very simple to understand, clean and easy to write. The Java programming syntax is very easy to understand. And according to Sun Microsystem, Java language is simple programming because of three reasons. First one, the Java syntax is based on C++, and Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features. For example, explicit pointers and operator overloading, etc. And third one, there is no need to remove unreferenced object because in Java there is an features like automatic garbage collections. Because of three reasons, the Java is simple programming language according to Sun Microsystem. Hope you understand. Next feature is object oriented programming. Object oriented means everything in Java is object. Everything in Java is object. Object oriented means we can organize combinations of different type of objects that corporate or incorporate both the data and behavior. So we organize our software as a combination of different type of objects that incorporate or corporate both the data and behavior. Here, object-oriented programming is a methodology that simplifies software development and maintenance by providing some rules. Object-oriented programming is a methodology that simplifies development and maintenance by providing some rules. Because of object-oriented programming, Java language is popular. Next, portable. Java is a portable. It facilitates you to carry the Java bytecode to any platform. We can carry the Java bytecode to one platform to another. It means we can write the Java source code in Windows platform and we can run that or compile that Java program in Linux or Mac platform. It doesn't require any further implementation. This is the best features of Java programming. And next, platform independent. Java is platform independent because the Java language is differ from other programming languages like C++ and C and so on. Those C and C++ and further languages are compiled in a specific machine, but Java language is we can write the code once and run anywhere and anytime in any languages. We can write a code once and run many times. This is the main advantages of and features of Java programming language. And secure. Java is secure because we develop a Java program virus free system. Using Java language we can develop virus free system. Robust means the word only give the meaning, means strong. Java is strong because Java has strong memory management. There are lack of pointers that avoid security problems. Because of this reason Java is popular. Architecture neutral. Architecture neutral means Java is architecture neutral. There are no implementation depend on further features. For example, the size of primitive data type is fixed in Java programming language, but in other programming language the size of primitive data type is exchanged. Next, high performance. Java is faster than other traditional interpreted programming languages because Java is close to native code. Java is close to native code. It is still little bit slower compilation than other programming languages because the Java is slower compiling languages compared to other programming languages like C and C++. And next feature is distributed. Java is distributed because it facilitates to user to create the applications in Java. Those are remote machine interface and entrepreneur Java beans. These RMI and EJB are the used to create a distributed applications. The features of Java make us to access file by calling the method from any machines on internet with the help of distributed features. Multi-threaded. The thread is like the separate programs execute concurrently. Thread means the separate programs execute concurrently at the same time. We can write a Java program that deal with many tasks at once by defining the multi-threads. We can define multi-thread once and use those thread in many times. The main advantage of multi-threading is it doesn't acquire memory for each thread. The thread doesn't acquire memory for each thread. It share a common platform or common memory area to threads. Threads are important for multimedia and web applications. Threads are important for multi-threading and threads are important for multimedia and web applications. Next, dynamic. Java is dynamic language. It supports a dynamic loading of classes. It means classes are loaded on demand. It supports functions from native languages. It supports functions from native languages like C and C++. C and C++ have features of Java have features extension features of C and C++. Java support dynamic compilation and atomic memory management. It means atomic memory management means garbage collection. This is main features of Java programming. Next, Java environment. Here in this Java environment include large number of development tools, hundreds of classes and methods. Java environment include large number of development tools and hundreds of classes and methods. Using these methods and classes, we can write Java program easily. And the development tools are part of the system known as Java Development Kit. The development tools are the part of the system known as Java Development Kit. It means that is JDK. We can use this Java Development Kit for the compilation and execution of the Java program. The Java Development Kit comes with the collection of tools are used to develop and run the Java programs. And Java Development Kit includes these following 7 objects. Those are Applet Viewer, Java C, Java, Java P, Java H, Java Doc and JDB. Here Applet Viewer for viewing the applets using Java, and Java C means Java compilation. It is used to compile the Java files. And Java interpreted, Java interpreted, Java P, Java dissembler, Java H, the header file for Java file, Java doc for creating the HTML documents we are using Java doc, and JDB means Java debugger. Next, Java runtime environment. Java runtime environment facilitates the execution of program developed in Java. Java runtime environment facilitates the execution of the programming developed in Java. It primarily comprises the following: Java virtual machine, runtime class libraries, user interface toolkits, deployment technologies. Here, Java virtual machine. The Java Virtual Machine interpreted and interpreted Java bytecode and generated the desired output. Java Virtual Machine interpreted and interpreted Java bytecode that generated the desired output. It is because of code JVM concept programs written in the Java is high portable. Because of the JVM concept, Java programs are highly portable and secured. And here Java runtime class library means it includes some class files which are going to write the programs. User interface toolkit and deployment technology. Deployment technology has two types: web plugin and another one is web plugin. Thank you. Here